enhancing the accessibility of our kababayans to the PNP Internal Affairs Service. And I was looking at the reports here. Nakalagay po dito that based on IAS 2023 annual report, 1,777 out of 1,844 police stations, or 96%, have established IAS desks. This is the correct figure, sir. And as of May 2023, there were 4,098 trained IAS desk personnel. Is that the correct statement?
Actually, Mr. Senator, ano na po yan?
Noon pa to?
Noon pa po yan. As of now, that IASDES it has been discontinued because we don't have enough personnel to man all of those desks, Mr. Chair.
So yun ho yung problema doon. So who are manning such desks now, Your Honor?
Mr. Chair, if there are personnel available, that these are more in the urban areas. In the suburban and rural areas, we don't have enough personnel. So in the urban areas, we do have a few remaining, but majority...
So to date po, sir, I'm sorry, to date, how many IAS desks po in public spaces have been established or operating for that
I will get the exact figure, Mr. Chair.
Kahit next time na lang. And one last thing, Mr. Chairman, no, nakita ko lang kasi, and I cannot just ignore the fact that the IAS reported a 100% case resolution rate in 2022, attributing the same to the implementation of the Case Management Information System, which has revolutionized the way internal investigations are conducted. Mr. Chairman, while this is a commendable feat, I wanted to know sana, Mr. Chairman, what does the term case resolution mean? Suspension of officers po ba? O cases have been filed against erring officers? From the IAS resolution po ba, may mga actions that are implemented or taken against erring officers? Ano yung reparations na I suppose were made to the relatives of the victims, if any, Mr. Chair? Please.
Mr. Chair, the 100% case resolution refers to the timeline within which all of the administrative cases should be resolved. Dahil po ito ay summary hearing.
So target yun, no?
Targets po yun. Ano? So within a certain period or within a certain timeline, we should be resolving all of these cases from the start up to the end, which is the time when we render a resolution for elevation to the Chief PNP. Because our decisions in IAS is only recommendatory, Mr. Chair.
Sir, one last po. If has there been any instance where a police was found guilty by the court, but the IAS found differently in its internal investigation, or vice versa?
I can recall, but this will be more anecdotal because I don't have the files with me, Mr.
Okay
Chair.
lang po.
But we do have cases where, in fact, it's the other way around. We have exonerated them, but the court found them guilty.
Okay.
So,
thank you,
we have
Mr.
those
Chairman.
situations, Mr. Chair.
Thank you for that clarification. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Colonel Grijaldo, kayo ba'y nag-oath kanina?
Yes,
Nag-oath
sir.
kayo kanina sa
Yes,
start?
sir.
Opo, sir. Kasi itong sabi ni Congressman Abante, there's no truth to your accusations daw. Anyway, so I'm sure ready ka naman sigurong panindigan yung sinabi mo. Ha?
Yes, sir. I will, sir.
Sige. Okay.
Saka Mr. Chairman, si Colonel Espinido nandito rin. Baka pwede rin natin siyang tanungin kung may experience din siyang ganun.
Siguro naman, Colonel Espinido, gusto mo sagutin yung tanong? Kasi I'm sure kung meron ka sigurong ganun,
Sasabihin.
i-volunteer mo na
You will
information.
also volunteer.
Kayo ba'y na-pressure kung ano man yung sinabi mo sa Quadcom, itinuro ba sa iyo yun? Ayun ang sabihin mo? O wala?
Wala, sir.
Wala naman,
Hindi,
ano?
hindi. Personal ko, sir.
Personal knowledge.
So, sa... gamay lang.
Sige. Senator Bato, you want to interject something?
Before Senator Bongo, just a quick
Yes, go ahead, Senator
Mr. Chair. I would like to reserve my question to Colonel Espinido in the next hearing. Pag andito na si Kerwin Espinosa at si Ronnie Dayan, Mr. Chair. That's all.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Mabalik ka next hearing, ha? Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Ang next hearing, we will have to set the schedule pa. So ngayon, wala pa tayong fixed schedule. Babalik po kayo lahat, pero except siguro mga PNP chiefs, unless you want to confront, unless panindigan ngayon yung chart, ano namin kayo, tawagin namin ulit kayo. Sige,
Mr. Chair, kapag andyan kasi sila, Mr. Chair, hindi aalis si President Duterte.
Gusto
Kaya kasi sila palagi tinuturo. Nandito sila, nandito. Kaya hindi na natin ibitahin to sila uli para mabilis umalis si President Duterte. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Actually, si General Kuy naman, you're the listed ni Senator Bongo eh. Pero Senator Bongo is now recognized. Yes, please.
Salamat, Mr. Chair. Natanong na rin po ninyo kanina kay Colonel Espinido, no? May few questions lang po. You prepared an affidavit, no? And submitted it to the Quadcom. Ikaw ba mismo ang nag-prepare nito?
Ang nag-draft, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ako. Tapos, pinapaprint ko na lang sa pro bono na bugad na counsel ko, si Attorney Fernandez.
At nabanggit mo sa affidavit mo na ang Pogo money po ang ginagamit sa war on drugs. Tama ba ito?
According to late Mayor Navarro, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. But personal knowledge, I have...
So, hearsay po ito. Hearsay.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kailan at hindi pa uso yung Pogo nung panahon yun? Hindi pa nga natin alam yun eh. Hindi natin narinig. At kailan at anong taon ito nangyari, Colonel Espinido?
For me, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I've heard the Pogo, 2007 pa siguro nga may illegal gambling na. No? Pero sa what I've said, mention ni late Mayor Navarro, right after na kung matandaan mo, Mr. Chair, Your Honor, na nagtawag ka na cleared na si Navarro kasi nagpunta siya sa inyo na parang nagsasabi siya na hinanap ko siya, target ko siya, when in fact ako ang chief of police at the time sa Uzamis. Wala akong pakialam sa Clarin, so focus ako sa Uzamis. But then dumating din yung punto na parang nagpakialam ako sa ibang lugar na hindi naman totoo. So ang pagpunta niya doon sa office ko, kausapin ako na inutusan mo raw na para maklear talaga siya, hindi na siya matakot sa akin, na since isa din, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, na tawagan ko naman lang, sabihan ko naman lang siya na ikaw kasali, or tinakot ba. So mag-clear siya para magkausap kami na welcome man siya magpunta sa Uzamis, wala man siyang problema din. So yun ang pag-usap namin at the time.
So base sa, matagal na yun, ano? Base sa assessment mo, okay na siya, cleared na siya, yun ang nag-usap kayo?
Hindi ko rin alam, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, kasi wala man akong list na paano din i-clear siya kung sakali nasali din siya.
So ang katanungan natin dito is sa recollection mo, sa maalala mo, no? Yung sinabi mo, tinawagan kita to clear dito kay Mayor Navarro. Hindi ko na maalala, mga leader din natin yun doon sa Mindanao. Ang tanong ko lang naman sa iyo, Spini, bakit kailangan siyang magpa-clear sa iyo nung panahong yon?
Yun din ang naano ko, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, kasama ko nga yung mga yung